Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Student, you have done your previous homework and you people learned the definition of fraction. All of you? That's good. Move toward our today topic. Our today topic is again related to fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Look at here. Open your book page 69 and look at here. The colored parts are equal. The fraction showing these color parts are also equal. Look at here. Here figure is given. The square is divided into two parts. Total two parts. One part is colored. But this one square is divided into four parts. And colored part are two. But these fractions are equal. Okay, it's equal, student. If you people just look like this. One part in one part. Look at here. This is half. This one is half. This one 2 is double of 1. And if you people double 2 times, you people take 2, 1 and another 1, you people just make 2. But when you people get 2 times, you people get 4. Simply, you can say that you people multiply this number with 2, just like this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Clear? Here, fraction which show equal parts are called equivalent fractions. Fraction which show equal parts are called equivalent fraction. Look at to this figure. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are given, 2 parts are shaded. And if we double of 2, if we multiply 2 with 2, we get 4. And if we multiply 5 with 2, we get 10. If we multiply this 2 with 2, you people just get 4. And if you people multiply this 5 with 2, you people just get 10. So simply we can say that these are equivalent. These are equivalent. And if you people divide this 4 by 2, you get 2. And if you people divide this 10 by 2, reverse, then you people get 5. Okay, just like this one figure. Okay, look at to the practice question. How can you people solve here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are total given. Colored parts are 5. And the next, when you people write equivalent fraction, you people double this 5, which is 10, and double this 6, which is 12. You can make triple. If you people make triple, you multiply 5 with 3, it's 15. And if you people multiply 6 with 3, it's 18. So the next one, if you people want to write, you people just write 15 and 18. Okay, these are the equivalent of these fraction. Clear? Just like this one. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are given. 1 part is colored. The next one, double of 1 is 2 and double of 6 is 12. Clear? This is equivalent fraction. How can you people write equivalent fraction? You people can write more than one equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Okay? You people just look at to the notebook. If the fraction is given 2 over 3, we can write more than one equivalent fraction of the given fraction. How can you people write? You people just like this. You multiply this whole number with 2. Double this fraction. You people get 4. You people get 6. And the first one, you people just take 3 parts. Here, this one fraction is just like this. And how many are colored? 2 parts are shaded. Okay, and the next one, you people double this 3, which is 6, just like this. You people take 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, till to here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts. Okay, and you people colored 4 parts. So 3 is double 6, 2 is double 4. Okay, you can write the next one equivalent fraction just like you people write the question again. You people just multiply with 3, then you people triple. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and you people write one more equivalent fraction. This is equivalent of. Okay, you again copy the question, which is 2 over 3. You people multiply. Now the next number is 4. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. All these fractions are equivalent to each other. When you divide these number on the given number, you people get the same answer. Clear? Clear, student? These are the equivalent, next equivalent fraction. Okay, and if you people just take 2 over 3 and 8 over 12, they are also equivalent to each other. Okay, and you people can draw shape like this. You can draw a triangle, rectangle, any shape and divide into these one parts and then shade. Clear? Clear, student? Okay, your homework is do exercise 3.2 question 1 to 3, book page 70-73 on worksheet. This is your homework. Move toward your homework. Okay, student, look at your homework. This exercise is given, exercise 3.2 in homework. Okay, write with the help of the following figures, write the equivalent fractions showing the colored parts in each box. Here fractions are given. You people just write out the colored part or the total part. Which numbers are missing here, you people just write here. Okay, you people copy this one page on worksheet and solve on worksheet and staple the worksheet in your rough notebook. Okay, first one is solve. The first one figure total 4 parts and 1 part is colored. Then double. When it double, you people get 2, means just multiply with 2. You people get 2, and when you people multiply this, you people get 8. The next one total 1 2 3 4 5 parts. This number is missing. Colored part is 3. You people just write 3. And here in the numerator 1 2 3 4 5 6 is given, but the total parts 7 8 9 10. Clear? You people solve the remaining 2 questions just like this. Move toward the next page. Okay, look at to this page. Here question number is missing, misprint. Write question number 2. Write equivalent fraction for the following figures and fractions. This figure has less portion, 2 portion, 1 is colored here, 1 over 2. This figure has more portions, so we multiply. When you people go from smaller to greater, when the numbers are increased, we multiply the numbers. When the numbers are decreased, you people divide. Clear? Here when you people double 1, you people get 2. Double 2, get 4. Same just like this one question. Here total 3 parts. 2 parts are colored. In numerator 2, in denominator 3. But here, look at to this figure. The colored part is no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean you people triple 2. You people multiply with 3. And same like you people multiply with 3. To 3 get 9. This figure has a more portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. 4 parts are colored, but in answer 2 here and the next one, sorry, but in equivalent fraction, this one is 2 over 3. Means number is divided less. Same like this, student, you people solve this one question and write equivalent fraction for the given fraction. Here given, You people solve these on worksheet. Okay, you people copy all these questions and solve on worksheet. Here symbols are given. Okay, either you people multiply or divide. You people follow the symbol and this question and solve on worksheet. Again, you people solve this question on worksheet, not on book. Okay, don't touch the book, don't write on book. You people just solve these question on worksheet. Okay, you people just draw the figure, no need to draw this one pictures, just draw the figures and solve the question. Okay, writing should be neat, draw figure neatly. You people can take help from your parents. Okay, okay student, and we solve question number 4. We discuss it in the next lecture. Okay, clear student? Work should be neat again and tidy. Staple worksheet or paste worksheet at the end of your notebook. Okay, paste all worksheet inshallah after vacation. When I check all these work, okay, all this work I check in your notebook, and when you people do this work in neat notebook, you people inshallah face no problem. Okay, so do your work on time. Clear? This is your homework, and we discuss question number 4 inshallah in coming lecture. Okay, any problem? Revise the definition again. Definition of fraction. You people remember, if we divide something into equal parts, then each part is called fraction of the whole. Okay, this is the definition. Thank you.